Hey, hello everyone. On May 2019, Apple introduced a refreshed MacBook Pro models with a new 8th and 9th generation Intel processors, which Apple says are its fastest MacBook Pro models to date. In this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of 15-inch 9th generation i7 2019 MacBook Pro. Come, let's get started. This model comes with a 2.6 GHz 6-core i7 processor, which can boost up to 4.5 GHz. Storage for this model is 256 GB. This model also comes with a dedicated Radeon Pro 555X with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, Touch Bar and Touch ID with a Retina display with True Tone. Let's talk about Butterfly Keyboard. Apple's 2019 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro models offer an upgraded third-generation Butterfly keyboard that improves upon the build quality of Butterfly keyboard in the 2018 model. Apple says the Butterfly keyboard in 2019 MacBook Pro features a new materials. A T2 chip continues to offer enhanced security with a security bot and also comes with a hands-free Hey Siri commands. And an all-day 10-hour battery life is still supported, and there is a Touch ID button for unlocking your Mac with your fingerprint. If you are in the market for a new MacBook Pro and budget is not a problem, then this MacBook is for you. Other than that, minor internal changes, 2019 MacBook Pro is definitely not a significant upgrade. If you ask me, well, will you upgrade your 2018 MacBook Pro for a new 2019 one? I would say I will not. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching iTech.